study the very scoring and very important topic, allergy. And this topic have been asked in the board examination so many times in 3 marks, very important one, and some 1 mark questions which we study later in mid of the topic. So let us we start allergy. Allergy may be defined as the exaggerated response of immune system against some antigens or allergens is called as allergy, and the substances to which such responses is produced are called as allergens. For example, pollen grains, mites in dust. Actually these mites are not the insects but more closely related to the spiders and ticks. These are the microscopic and feed mostly on the dead skins, generally occur inside the soil or dust. Pet animals, dander. Just like these are the proteins secreted by oil glands in animals, pet animals' skin and present in their saliva. So these are the pet animals, dander. IgE type of antibodies are produced by these allergens, which are also called as reagents. Actually एलर्जी के बारे में नाम लेते ही ऐसा लगता है जैसे कुछ सिम्टम्स हमारे मन में आते हैं, जस्ट लाइक एलर्जी के कारण आंखों में पानी आना, छींक आना, स्नीजिंग, कफिंग, खांसी आना, problem in breathing. So all such kind of symptoms are of allergy are there. These symptoms अब हम लेते हैं allergic symptoms, है ना. Although allergy response differ organs to organs, but common symptoms includes sneezing, difficulty in breathing, running of nose, नाक का बहना, watery eyes, आंखों से पानी आना. तो वैसे each and every body's immune system response differ to differ allergens. कुछ लोगों को पोलन से एलर्जी हो जाती है, कुछ को डस्ट से एलर्जी हो जाती है. Causes of allergy. Allergy is caused due to the release of the chemicals like histamine and serotonin from the connective tissue, that is mast cells, है ना, or basophils of blood is the main cause of allergy. We can say that these chemicals serotonin and histamine secreted from the mast cells of the connective tissue. Now types of allergy. On the basis of the organ affected in the body, 4 types of allergies can be determined here. First is the asthma. Asthma occur in respiratory tract, or we can say that respiratory tract is affected in asthma. The smooth muscles of bronchioles constrict due to the inhalation of allergens and create problems in the breathing. तो अस्थमा में सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होती है. एंड अस्थमेटिक पर्सन्स अधिकतर देखा होगा जो स्मॉल पोलन्स और डस्ट पार्टिकल्स जो एयर में होते हैं, एनवायरमेंट में होते हैं, उनको इनहेल करने से उनमें ज्यादा सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. सेकंड इज द अर्टिकेरिया. It is a kind of skin allergy. Urticaria is a kind of skin allergy. Rashes or blisters may develop over entire skin. पूरी बॉडी पे रेड कलर के रैशेस चकत्ते हो जाते हैं और वो ब्लिस्टर की फॉर्म में छाले भी हो सकते हैं. तो दिस इज द स्किन एलर्जी. नाउ anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis is a kind of blood allergy due to some drugs or penicillin injections etc. जो इंजेक्शन या ड्रग्स लेने के कारण एलर्जी होती है ब्लड के अंदर, तो दिस इज वेरी डेंजरस और फेटल. दिस काइंड ऑफ एलर्जी इज द फेटल. नाउ राइनाइटिस और हे फीवर. Now this is nasal passage allergy. This is a kind of nasal passage allergy due to pollens, dust और volatile chemicals. यदि कोई volatile chemicals inhale कर लें तो इस तरह की एलर्जी हो सकती है. इसके symptoms especially sneezing और coughing, continuous sneezing or coughing are the symptoms. Prevention and control of the allergy. The use of the drugs like antihistamine, adrenaline and steroids quickly reduce the symptoms of the allergy, and these are only useful in the asthma, urticaria and anaphylaxis, but these drugs are not very useful in hay fever. And we can say that इनके साथ साथ एंटीहिस्टामाइन ड्रग्स के साथ साथ we must try to prevent the inhalation of the allergens. हमें उन जो एलर्जेंस हैं, जो एलर्जी क्रिएट करते सब्सटेंस, उनके इनहेलेशन से बचना चाहिए. तो वी शुड ट्राई मास्क, वी शुड ट्राई टू वियर द मास्क, और स्पेशली दोज पर्सन्स हु आर प्रायन टू द एलर्जिक थिंग्स or who are prone to the allergens, they especially always use mask whenever they comes out from the homes. So this is all about the allergy. I will repeat again, this is very important question, so many time asked in 3 marks in the board examination, as well as the histamine and serotonin. ये क्वेश्चन भी कई बार पूछा गया है. ये दो तरह से पूछा गया है. द सेल्स विच आर रिलीज हिस्टामाइन एंड सीरोटोनिन, तो आंसर इज द मास्ट सेल्स. और इस तरह से पूछा गया है, विच टाइप ऑफ केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस आर रिलीज व्हेनेवर एनीवन इनहेल द एलर्जेंस. हिस्टामाइन एंड सीरोटोनिन रिलीज which type of cells whenever we inhale the allergens. Answer is the mast cells. These mast cells are present in the connective tissue. So this is all about allergy. Thank you and have a nice day.